The thing is that, sir, first we defined nearly some 11 roles. Okay, role 1 is applicant, which is based, the username is based on the employee number. So our CSI employee ID will be the primary field which is required to use candidate to log in. Okay, then another things are roles. So controlling authority we defined because we CEPT made like that. Particularly in these applications, the dependency of CEPT and contacting CEPT for changing and all, we made this application automated process without dependency of CEPT. You can process the flow. So that what I will explain here. So we defined the roles. So the username will be for each controlling authority. Username will be, it start with prefix with CA and facility ID _1. A nodal officer means NA, facility ID 01. Directorate user. So what are the maximum possibility we will try to we added. So if while implementation, if some user is required, then we'll think of to add. And also the number 1, 01 and 1 resembles that. Sometimes Tamil Nadu circle and Kannada circle requested that. Sometimes nodal officer role, for example, for GDS exam, they were receiving 5,000 application. As a one nodal officer login, it will not be possible. So at the time, it is there is an option so that the user can able to create another user for the nodal officer. So the basic thing is that for creating the admin by immediate authority. That means for region, for division, region will create. Region, circle office will create, circle and directorate, CEPT will create. This is a creation of admin user flow. So once again, I'm repeating, for division office, region will create, region, circle will create, circle and directorate, both CEPT will create. Okay. Option to the controlling authority, exclusively for controlling authority to map the, to create the employee ID with email ID and mobile number. So without registering this thing, the candidate cannot able to log in. So that if required, candidate can give the request before, and also this request can be given at not during the exam time. Okay, even at this application will be open to the user for 365 days. So a user can register at any time. And each exam, there should not be earlier and all for Group B and IP exam and all earlier we conducted online. For every year, user has to register and he has to build. But now in the current upcoming application, one time if register, for subsequent year also the same credential can be used. So the controlling authority first job is there to register the mobile number and email ID of the candidate. So after completing these two process, then and also another thing, directorate latest information is there. Earlier only for IP and Group B there is an option for the candidate to write examination in any center. For example, one PA want to write IP examination. So he is basically from Tamil Nadu, but he want to write. He is deputed in directorate. So at the time, he should not come to Chennai and write. He can give a request and he can write in Delhi also. So, so based on that, the directorate has given an option to all the examination so that candidate can prefer city, any city based on his request. But for that, each circle has to update the city name before start of the exam date. For example, for decentralized examination, it is limited to only circles. For for centralized examination, city will be limited for a circle, pan India. But when examination is conducted by circles, that center will be limited to circles because the candidate can appear within the circle. For example, if a Tamil Nadu circle, they may be conducting in Chennai, Madurai, Trichy, and Coimbatore means. So candidate can even, they may be in deputation. For example, in Tirunelveli, they may be deputed in Chennai and the circle office they are working. They can write in Chennai instead of going. So for that, after issue of notification by a directorate, the first important thing is the circle has to identify the city name. Okay, which city they are planning to conduct the examination. So based on this only, candidate while applying, he will select the center preference and he can able to apply. Otherwise, the candidate cannot able to submit his application. These are the basic things. initially before start of the examination, you have to